Hi, my name is Instructor Sam. Today I'm going to show you how to use the oral thermometer. Anyone could use this oral thermometer. If you're a healthcare provider or a non-healthcare provider, this is very easy to use. You'll learn it really quickly. I'm using a probe covering. This is because I'm going to use this on patients. Of course, for healthcare providers, you want to make sure you have a probe covering. This should never be used without a probe cover, all right, while you're collecting temperature. Now, if you're at home and just learning how to use this on your child or whatever the case is, that's perfectly fine. You don't need a probe cover. You just wash it off with soap and water. When you're done, place it back in the box. When you're using this, you want to make sure that you ask the patient to open out the mouth wide and then close their mouth, all right? You want to make sure you hold on to the thermometer. We're going to wait until we hear a sound. Once we hear the sound, that means that is the temperature. Now, if this patient has been drinking cold water or hot water or any ice, it's going to give you a false rating. So keep that in mind, healthcare providers and non-healthcare providers. Also, pay attention to all the wonderful notes I place on the screen. All right. So make sure you hold it in place. This is going to stay in the patient's mouth for at least 1 minute. And if it's used for a baby, it's going to go in rectally. Have a wonderful day.